Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of irrational numbers. For example, if we want to add root 5 with 2 root 5, then root 5 plus 2 root 5 is equal to, here root 5 is an irrational number and it is common in these two numbers. So take out root 5 into, here 1 into root 5, so 1 plus here 2 root 5, so 2, that is 3. 1 plus 2 is 3, so 3 root 5. So root 5 plus 2 root 5 is equal to 3 root 5. Next example is 5 root 3 plus root 27. Here root 3 is an irrational number and prime factors for 27 are 3 into 3 into 3. So here there is a square root. So separate this square number 3 into 3. So write like this: 5 root 3 plus root 3 square into 3. And that is equal to 5 root 3 plus root 3 square into root 3, because root AB is equal to root A into root B. Then 5 root 3 plus root 3 square is 3, because root A square is A, into root 3. Here root 3 is common, so write root 3 into 5 plus 3, that is 8 root 3. Next example is root 8 plus root 32 minus root 2. So here root 2 is an irrational number and all are square roots. So first write prime factors for each number. So 8, the prime factors here are 2 into 2 into 2, and 32, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. We can write directly if you know, otherwise you have to factorize like this and write the numbers here. Then here there are square roots, so take out all square numbers from these numbers. So here we can write like this: root of, here square number is 2 square, so 2 square into 2, and here the square numbers are 2 square into again 2 square into 2 minus root 2. That is equal to root 2 square into root 2, because the root of AB is root A into root B, plus root 2 square into root 2 square into root 2 minus root 2. So then it is 2 root 2 plus 4 root 2 minus root 2. That is equal to 2 plus 4 minus 1 into root 2, because root 2 is common in all these numbers. That is equal to 5 root 2. 6 minus 1, that is 5 root 2. This is another example: 2 into cube root of 4 plus 7 into cube root of 32 minus cube root of 500. So here all are cube roots. So first find prime factors for these numbers. 4, the prime factors are 2 into 2, and 32, these are the prime factors, and 500 we can write as 5 into 100, then 100 we can write as 10 into 10. Then 10, the prime factors are 2 into 5 and 2 into 5. Otherwise you can do prime factorization here for 500. Now 2 into cube root of 4, because 4 is not a cube number, so write 2 into cube root of 4 plus 7 into cube root of, here one cube number is there, 2 cube, so write 2 cube into, the remaining numbers factors are 2 into 2, so write 2 into 2 is 4, minus here one cube number, that is 5 cube, so cube root of 5 cube into 2 into 2, 4. Now 2 into cube root of 4 plus 7 into cube root of 2 cube into cube root of 4, minus, because cube root of AB is cube root of A into cube root of B, minus cube root of 5 cube into cube root of 4. Now 2 into cube root of 4 plus, here cube root of 2 cube is 2, because cube root of A cube is A. So 7 into 2 into cube root of 4 minus 5 into, here cube root of 5 cube is 5 into cube root of 4. If you observe here, all in all numbers cube root of 4 is common, so take out cube root of 4 as common, and the remaining values here are 2 plus 7 2s are 14 minus 5, that is 11 into cube root of 4. This is next example: 4th root of 81 minus 8 into cube root of 216 plus 15 into 5th root of 32 plus square root of 225. So here all roots are different, here 4th root, here cube root, and here 5th root, and here square root. So first find prime factors for these numbers. 81, these are the prime factors, and 216, these are the prime factors, and 32, these are the prime factors, and 225, these are the prime factors. So first number is 4th root, so write these prime factors as the power of 4. So this is 3 to the power of 4, and here cube root, so write these prime factors as the power of 3. So we can write 2 cube into 3 cube, that is 2 into 3 6 cube. So 6 cube we can write these factors as 6 cube, and 32 we can write as 2 to the power of 5, and 225 here square root. So write these factors as 15 square because here there is a square root. Now fourth root of 3 to the power of 4 minus 8 into cube root of 6 cube plus 15 into fifth root of 2 to the power of 5 plus square root of 15 square. This is 3. Fourth root of 3 to the power of 4 is 3 minus 8 into cube root of 6 cube is 6 plus 15 into fifth root of 2 to the power of 5 is 2 plus square root of 15 square is 15. So this is 3 minus 8 6 are 48 plus 15 2s are 30 plus 15. This is 48 minus 48, that is equal to 0. This is another example, 1 by root 3 plus 3 root 3. So here in the denominator, root 3 is an irrational number. So first to rationalize the denominator. So rationalize this denominator like this, 1 by root 3 into, here rationalization factor is root 3. So root 3 by root 3, multiply numerator and denominator with root 3. Then we will get root 3 by 3. Now here 1 by root 3 plus 3 root 3 is equal to root 3 by 3 plus 3 root 3. So here root 3 is common in these two numbers. So take out root 3 as common, and the remaining values here are 1 by 3 here and plus here 3. So 1 by 3 plus 3, that is 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 root 3 by 3.